How to create brand kit on Canva account. Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about one of the Canva feature, the brand kit. So let's go. This is the home page of the Canva account, and on the left side you can see the option of brand. When we click on it, this is what we are going to see: brand logos, brand colors and brand fonts. Okay, here we can add multiple of logos, signature, photos, anything which you want to add. Okay, then here we can add colors which we use frequently many times. So here let's add our logo. We have to click on this plus button sign, and from here we can add our logo like this. Click on the open and it's uploaded. If we want to add another logo, again click on this plus button sign and add the another logo. So this is the place where you add all your logo. You can also add some photo, signature that you might be using as a logo as well. Okay, then we go to the brand colors. Here we can add multiple of palettes which we use as our brand color. Simple, we just click on this plus button, choose the color like this, and we can choose many colors like this. And if you want to add another palette, you can also add. Just click on this add new, choose the color which you want to add. Let's choose this purple color, and you can see there are many colors. If you don't want, you can remove this color like this. Okay, you can also rename this color palette with any name. So I will rename these colors as my brand color. Then my thumbnail color. So guys, by this way you can add many color palettes here. Okay, now let's move to the another feature, the brand fonts. Okay, here you can choose your fonts for the heading, for the subheading. Okay, by clicking here you can see the option of choosing your fonts. You can also change the size from here. Okay, and you can also upload the fonts from the Google or internet from anywhere. You have to click on this upload fonts. Okay, and by this way you can add many fonts as your brand fonts. So guys, our brand kit is ready. Now let's see how we can use this brand kit in our project. So let's see. Go to the brand templates, then create a brand templates. Choose anything which you want to make. I choose randomly YouTube thumbnail. So let's choose any of the template from here like this, and when I click on this page we can see the color option from here, and here we can find our brand colors. See my brand colors and my thumbnail colors. So it's very easy to use. Then when we go to the text, we can see our brand fonts which we choose in our brand kit. Okay, and when we go to the logos, we can see our logos which we uploaded in our brand kit. So guys, by this way you can add your brand kit in your Canva account, which make your work easier and faster. I hope you like this video. If you found any valuable information in this video, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.